Sometimes we get lucky
There we
like
go.
this one.
We're back on.
That one just happened to get in easy compared to the other one. So I'm just putting the rim down, the tire down on the other side of the rim now. All right. So make sure this one goes down. It does. And then this.
Does it matter where the split ends up?
Not really. I just did it opposite of those, and frankly, I don't even know why. That's just what I'm doing.
Did you let air out of the last one?
Let air out?
At this point, do you let air out?
No, the tube's a lot smaller than the inside.
Okay.
Could you take me that hammer? So as you put them down, it's good to tap. Can you look it over here? You just want to tap as you pry. You can sort of tap it in, make sure it's going in. And there, the split rim is in. And now to put air in it, you put enough just to seat it. And then you seat it. See how it got all tight? The gap is right. See it? You know, it was kind of open. And now I just tapped it, made sure it's all the way in. And then you could put air in it. And if you want to be a little bit safe, you know, you could use a hose like this, and so your hand isn't right over it if it did blow up. But it's not going to.
How many pounds?
They say 40 on these is max. I put 32 or so. That's on now. And that's it. That's installed in split rim.
Let's see the other side. When you're
All
done.
right. Let me get 30 pounds in here.